Hey everybody, AJ Colby here in the Weather Center, and I hope you're having a terrific day today. Wow, what an incredible afternoon. Temperatures soaring into record territory, 80 degrees or so, and even more warm weather is on the way. So it's the full forecast first and up front, as we've been doing here the last few times, and we're going to give you the outlook right at the top. For Halloween, showers are likely. Sorry about that, moms and dads. And of course, the small fries, the ghosts and goblins that have to be out on beggars' night looking for chocolate et al., including other sugary treats. Expect that it is going to be a little bit on the soggy side, unfortunately, for the ghosts and goblins. We're looking at temperatures, though, in the upper 70s. That, again, is nearing record high temperatures. Absolutely stunning for this time of the year. We're looking at mid 50s behind the front on Friday, but it should be fairly nice with partly sunny skies. I would say more sunshine expected for Saturday. Saturday, definitely the pick of the two weekend days right now. And our highs topping out in the upper 50s. I would say look for an overnight low in the upper 30s to near 40, both Friday and Saturday night. Sunday's high, 65. Definitely warmer. The trade off, though, looks to be some raindrops and temperatures in the mid 60s. Out on the lake, small craft advisory in effect out there through tomorrow. In fact, probably through Friday. Wind south and southwest. The waves kicking up tomorrow up to 2 to 4 feet, and our water temperature is 59 degrees, and that is off Cleveland. Meantime, check out those record high temperatures. And that we soared by that so quickly, I think we ought to go back and take a look at it. Thank goodness there's a reverse button on the slideshow here. Potential record-breaking highs. Yes, we did that today. This courtesy of the National Weather Service in Cleveland. Gusty winds. We've had gusts 35 to 40 miles an hour. They've been very impressive. Record highs coming down not only in Cleveland, most likely a tie. Tomorrow we could tie or break the record. And even on Halloween, the potential on the last day of October that we could even break a record high temperature. So all of those are in jeopardy of perhaps falling by the wayside. Okay, here's a look from outer space now. Well, we had some morning convection showers, even a few rumbles of thunder go through with a warm front, which initially looked would come through dry. If you were joining us the last couple of days, we were talking about maybe a dry frontal passage. Well, not so much. Never trust a warm front. Was always Dick Goddard's words of wisdom to young meteorologist here. And once again, those words of wisdom certainly did pay off. A pasty film of clouds moving over northeast Ohio right now. Most of the state awash in sunshine today. Some very beautiful decorative clouds up there. And we'll widen the view, show you the continental United States. The Southwest, that weather system that's out there, that's our Halloween storm system. We're going to put the maps in motion here and show you how the fronts and the systems evolve through time. Meanwhile, radar showing most of the action from southern Canada around Ottawa down toward just to the north of New York City, the Big Apple, big dry swath all the way out to around maybe the Twin Cities and up toward Fargo, where showery weather is assembling. Maps in motion. Look at the snow out over the Rockies. Boy, that's a lot of snow out there. That weather system is wrapping up, and look at its web of pressure lines out east. That's going to cause our winds to be rather blustery again tomorrow. That's a rapid pressure change over a relatively short distance, showing a pretty healthy mid-latitude cyclone starting to develop here on into tomorrow morning. It almost looks like Bermuda high pressure off to the east. It will be dislodged by that front as we animate through tomorrow afternoon. And that looks like a pretty good corridor of rain and maybe even some thunder lining up along waves of low pressure from about Thunder Bay down into Wisconsin and the Hawkeye state of Iowa, curling back over the panhandle of Oklahoma and Texas. So here's how that storm coalesces by Halloween morning. Thursday morning's map shows a very healthy mid-latitude cyclone there, center of low pressure over Wisconsin, and the trailing cold front sweeping through with its rain tending the cold front. This is Halloween night. That's an awful lot of green right over the Buckeye State out ahead of the front itself. Futurecast radar as we animate through tomorrow, all day dry tomorrow, but Thursday is a different story. And this is Thursday afternoon's rain just entering western Ohio. The timing, unfortunately, isn't looking so hot for trick-or-treaters who'd like to remain dry. The caveat there. Our forecast for tonight goes as follows. Partly cloudy, breezy, and mild. Temperatures down to 60. That's above the normal high temperature for this time of the year, incidentally. Sunset 6:26, nice and early. And it's going to be even earlier as we end daylight saving time this coming weekend. Southwest winds at times will be a bit on the blustery side. For tomorrow, bright sunshine expected, maybe some decorative clouds up there. Unseasonably warm air, up close to 80 once again. Southwest winds will aid and abet that warm spell. How does it look now? We'll show you one more gander in case you missed it up top of the extended outlook for Halloween 78. That is near a record high. We could tie another record on Thursday, maybe even break it. Impressive stuff. Rain showers ending by Friday, but it will be cooler, not warmer. Ignore that. It will be cooler. 55, upper 50s on Saturday. Someone forgot to change those words there. I wonder who was responsible for that oversight. That would have been this guy. That's tough. But warmer on Sunday. We'll guarantee you that much anyway. We go from 50s, maybe near 60 on Saturday, and Sunday's high 65 degrees. Hope you guys have a terrific night. Enjoy this beautiful air. We know it's going to come to an end. It always does, that's for sure. Until then, from the AJ Colby Weather Center, I am meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.